Scientific research, the field of functional near infrared spectroscopy has been around, I think, since 1992 or 93. So it's been a tool that scientists have had for many decades now. We're at an interesting point in the scientific development of this technology because manufacturing processes have made the key components in these sensor arrays significantly cheaper, smaller, and powerful, which allows people to get better signal to noise ratios in the data they're collecting, and smaller portability, lower power consumption. And so we do everything based off of scientific literature that's being published. We have a preference for more new stuff because the technology is going to be more applicable to the technology that we're using now. Um, in terms of what BrainFit has, no, we haven't published any papers, which is pretty normal for a company when you want to keep your secret sauce secret.